I guess it's time for a introduction since Ashlyn doesn't want to do it. You know, I just realized we have matching rings and we also have matching phones.
Yep.
And matching bracelets.
Mm-hmm.
She wanted to match underwear, but I said that was too much.
Whatever.
We are going to Wichita Mountains to go hiking tomorrow. But first, we're going to go stay at a casino and hopefully win a whole bunch of monies. But first, we have to find you some hiking shoes. Okay?
Yeah, let's go. I'ma make a couple stacks, do exactly what I want to. Mix a couple tracks, get a lady that I'm drawn to.
What you doing? Are you raiding the fridge? There's not even anything in there.
I know, I need to put stuff in there.
Oh, okay. Well, we're at our room. We're at Windstar Casino, and we have the pool view. Unfortunately, we can't swim because it's not open this part of the season, but it's a really cool pool, a really cool looking pool, and there's a casino and the sun is setting, so we're gonna go get something to eat and then maybe play a little, have a couple slots, play some slots, whatever. I can't talk. And then we're gonna get up fairly early and head to the Wichita Mountains to go hiking.
Turn up to the max, get me faded till I'm gone, dude. I do what I want, couldn't stop me if you wanted to. I just work hard, yeah, harder than the rest. Some people say I'm lucky, others saying that I'm blessed. But I keep my head down, cause I crave progress. You ain't never gonna stop me, cause it's my conquest. And I'm never gonna rest, yeah. And y'all don't know that I'm a soldier. I always felt like I'm alone, yeah. When everybody thinks they know ya, and y'all don't even know I own ya. And now I'm ready taking over, cause every day I'm getting closer. Just look at everything I'll show ya. And now I'm ready, I'ma blow up. Yeah.
So we are hiking at Charles Gardens, and it's about a 3-mile hike. So we'll see how well this goes. Maybe we'll have time to do another one.
Yeah, I'm impatient, I don't ever slow up. I stay young, no, I never grow up. Working to the point I throw up. And if you cross me, it was good to know ya. I'm impatient, I don't ever slow up. I stay young, no, I never grow up. I keep working to the point I throw up. And if you cross me, it was good to know ya. Yeah. Oh yeah. Yeah. I'm not the type to take no for an answer. I don't deal with people that are like a cancer. No, instead I hang with the people that enhance ya. And I'm not the type to give out second chances.
So she wants to climb or touch that rock right there, that boulder. So we're gonna try and make it our way over there, but there's not really a trail, so we're just gonna do some good old-fashioned exploring hiking. Okay, as you guys can see, this is the trail that we walked, and right here, this is Elk Mountain. This is about 2,200 feet, and right here, this is where we parked, and we started on this trail, and right here is kind of where the trail ends along this path, and then this is where we went off kind of exploring on our own. And right here is where she wanted to touch that boulder. And I would rate this probably maybe 6 on, maybe not quite that much, maybe like a 5 on difficulty scale. It just takes a little bit of time just because you know, kind of need to know where to go. So I'll post a picture of that boulder. You know, this is right here where she wanted to take a picture of it. And if you actually kind of off in this direction, maybe about right here, we saw that elk that you'll see in the video. So yeah, it was a pretty good hike so far. So I think we're going to try and go back to this place because there's quite a few different trails along here, down this way, and of course there's a lot more off to the east that way. So yeah, there she goes. Wanted to touch this massive boulder. You good now?
Yeah.
Mission accomplished?
Just wanna work on my own for myself. I don't need no help, not anybody else. Nah, man, I got it dealt. I'm working on my wealth and I'm working on my health. Keep on working to excel, cause I'm working on myself, yeah. And y'all don't know that I'm a soldier. I always felt like I'm alone, yeah. When everybody thinks they know, yeah. And y'all don't even know I am, yeah. And now I'm ready taking over. Cause every day I'm getting closer. Just look at everything I'll show ya. And now I'm ready, I'ma blow up. Yeah. Man, I promise that I'm gonna make it somewhere. As long as I'm conscious, I'll be working hard to get there. I am not a novice, I'm gonna be the best, so prepare. Cause you know I'm honest and I'm coming for you, be scared. Man, I promise that I'm gonna make it somewhere. As long as I'm conscious, I'll be working hard to get there. I am not a novice, I'm gonna be the best, so prepare. Cause you know I'm honest and I'm coming for you, be scared. Y'all already know. Yeah. That's right, y'all better watch out. NFX is on the rise. Yeah.